Brakies, Danny, Jonas Tyroller, Zyger, Yannick, John Cena. Okay, maybe the last one was a lie. They all made really cool games using Unity. I am not nearly as good at them as making games, though I can still do a challenge. Ladies and gentlemen, I am going to make the stupidest game using Unity 3D, not including all the other stupid games I've made as a young Zach. Let's get into it. This isn't even plugged in. I mean, Flyboy? What was I thinking when I made this piece of garbage? Those don't look anything like fly swatters. That's right, get in the trash. When I think of dumb and Unity, I think of ragdolls. So let's make a game about ragdolls. Yes! For those of you who don't know what a ragdoll is, it is pretty much just a character made up of different body parts, each affected by gravity and having its own colliders, which makes it collapse in weird positions. After some thinking, I decided I would make a game where ragdolls fall from the sky and you have to dodge them. I added some player movement around a cube. It was way too easy to control, and this game was supposed to be very stupid. So I made it stupidly hard to control. Can you get demonetized from saying stupid too much? Stupid, stupid, stupid.
FBI, open up!
The player was just a simple shape, so I decided to design something amazing with Unity's editor. Beautiful! This is such a masterpiece. Later on, I even animated this masterpiece's arms to wave. Oh, what a beautiful day! Zach, I don't have a watch, but do you know what time it is? Sure I do, Zach. It's shameless plug time! Join my Discord, link in the description down below, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe right now. It really helps my channel. Apparently 97% of you are not subscribed. Okay, that's enough. Back to the video. I decided to add a score to the game. After that, I spent a good amount of time making a menu screen for the game. It will even show my terrible high score. Roll the epic gameplay of the finished game. No! I just want to beat my high score. Some epic dodging. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. Dodge, dodge. No! I'm totally not cheating or anything. Nope, I'm not cheating. My score's going up. I'm not cheating. I'm not cheating. The player's totally still here. It's not just like an animation or anything like that. Look, I beat the high score. Look at the new high score that I just set. Let's go. Guys, we did it. We successfully created the stupidest game using Unity 3D. Is this worth celebrating? I don't know. But what I do know is that since my last video, I have learned a lot about video editing, so I guess you could say I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve. Okay, bye guys, Zach out. Oh shoot, turn off the camera.